In fourth generation, duration was 1976 to 1989. In previous lecture, we have seen that in first generation, there were vacuum tubes, and in second generation they were replaced by transistor. In third generation they were replaced by ICs, and in fourth generation VLSI microchip were used. Memory is used in the form of semiconductor, and main memory was 10 MB. Speed of these computers were 300 nanoseconds. Operating systems in this generation were time sharing operating system, real time operating system, network operating system, and distributed operating system. Languages used in this generation were C and C++, Pascal, Ada, DBase, COBOL 74, and Fortran 77. Advantages of these computers were internet technology were invented in fourth generation, and they were very cheap computers as compared to third generation computers. Pipelining process were used, and in fourth generation there were no need of AC. Application of fourth generation computer were in the area of integrated CAD and CAM. PCs were introduced, distributed system was there, real-time control were used in this generation, and graphics-oriented system were introduced. These are the some very important points which can be asked in exam time to time. Recall them for many times. In fourth generation, here I have given some important points which can be asked in the exam. So remember them carefully. It's a mistake by me. Correct it as 1981. In 1981, IBM introduced its first computer for home use. In 1984, Apple introduced Macintosh. Fourth generation also saw the development of GUIs, that is graphical user interfaces, mouse and handheld devices. In fourth generation, concept of internet was introduced. There were great development in the field of networking in fourth generation. Computer became easily available in this generation too. There were some examples like DEC 10, Star 1000, PDP 11, Cray 1. We call it as supercomputer. Then Crane 10 MP, that is supercomputer. Then there were some special purpose computer in one that is built for a specific application. Hybrid computer used for specialized task. It is end of this lecture. Keep studying. Thank you.